Hey, today I want to show you how I made these adorable faux hot chocolate mugs that can be used in so many ways. Place card holders, on a hot chocolate bar to decorate. They could even be used for Christmas ornaments. And the best part is, we only did it for a little over $2 each. Let me show you how.
I found these mini metal mugs on Amazon. They come in a pack of 12. They also come with a blue rim around it, and I didn't want the blue rim, so I just took a Sharpie marker and painted over the blue rim. This wouldn't really be necessary, but I just did it. Next, you're going to take some floral foam. You can get this at any place like Walmart or Amazon or Hobby Lobby. I cut it down to size to fit into my mug, and then I took some regular aluminum foil and wrapped around the foam. The aluminum foil helps to fill up the mug, and it also helps to give a little better shape to how you want your whipped cream to look. For the whipped cream, you're going to get some regular white caulk. I got this at Walmart for around $3. It does come in clear and white, so make sure you get the white. Then you just have fun squeezing the caulk all around. Make sure you do let it touch the rim of the cup though, because it's going to also act as glue to keep your aluminum foil ball into the cup. This process does not have to be perfect, just have fun with it. Now we're going to take the end of the caulk gun and we're going to sort of squish the caulk around until we can no longer see the foil. This process also makes those great whipped cream peaks. To give it just a little more realistic look, I took some cinnamon and sifted it through my little small strainer. And again, the caulk will act as glue and keep your cinnamon on top of your whipped cream. Ornament hooks are going to make the place card holder. I got these at Hobby Lobby. You want to get a set of pliers and straighten out one end of the hook. So once it looks like this, now you're ready to poke it down in the top of your whipped cream. Just make sure that it goes all the way down into your floral foam. After this, I just let it dry overnight. I thought it turned out so cute that I took some red spray paint and I painted this one red, and then I took some black spray paint with black and gold and did the same thing. After it's dried overnight, it should end up looking like this. On my vinyl cutter, I cut the names out, but you wouldn't have to do this. You could just use stickers from a Dollar Tree or Walmart. Anything like that would work. Another option would be to get the sticker letters from Dollar Tree and put on your cups to personalize it with the names of your choice. But if you decide and you don't want to do that at all, you could also just get some holiday stickers to go on it, like the snowman or snowflakes. They turned out super cute as well. I made these cards as a free gift to you. You can print them out and then use them however you would like. One has scripture verses, one has the hot cocoa fixings, and one is just blank. If you want to use them for name cards, you could write people's names on them, or if you want to use them as affirmation cards, you could do that as well. I also have some in the Thanksgiving and fall theme. You can find the link to all of these in the description below. I'm planning to use these as affirmation cards for our families throughout the holiday season. I think that really is probably the best gift we could give each other.
That's it, just that simple and easy, and you didn't have to break the bank. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, I think you might enjoy this video as well. See you in the next episode.